To download and install Zoom on your Windows laptop or PC, you can simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, launch any web browser, example Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox on your laptop. Once you do so, simply tap on the search address bar and search for the Zoom download page. Once you search for the Zoom download, you will get to see many options available there, such as download for Windows, download for Mac, and many more. You can choose any according to your preferences. So currently I am using the Mac version of laptop. So let's tap on the download for Mac. So here you can see there is download for Apple Silicon option available there. You can simply tap on it and download the Zoom app from your web browser. Now you can also go to the download for Windows option available there. Then simply tap on the download for Windows and you can choose your Windows version and download it easily. After you download it, you can simply sign into your Zoom account and use it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.